Gheimeh stew, especially when accompanied by the aroma of cinnamon, rosewater, and especially fried potatoes, is considered a heavenly dish. Let's go and cook it. This stew is served with steamed rice, so prepare rice for the number of servings in the final hour of cooking the stew. Grate 1 onion into the ground beef and add meat spices, turmeric, black pepper, and salt. Mix well and shape into round balls with your hands. Refrigerate for 1 hour. Sauté 2 chopped onions in oil until golden brown, then add turmeric and sauté. Add the soaked split peas and sauté. Then add the tomato paste and mix well. Pour in 2 cups of boiling water and simmer over low heat for 2 hours. Meanwhile, fry the meatballs until browned, then add them to the split pea mixture. Poke holes in 3 soaked limes and add them to the stew. Simmer over low heat for 1 hour. In the last 20 minutes of cooking, add cinnamon stick, salt, brewed saffron, and rosewater to the stew. Finally, fry hollowed potatoes in oil and place them on top of the serving dish containing the stew. Enjoy your meal.